Right, this little Quad FM4 tuner has a problem. Basically, it doesn't remember the stations you've told it to use. So the owners changed the battery because the old one was really manky, but there's a lot of damage to the PCB. Right, I've taken the microprocessor out of this one, and the socket is just covered in corrosion. And on the basis that sometimes it starts up and sometimes it doesn't, I'm going to replace that socket and remove all this glue that's around by the battery. The green capacitors here are temporary. They're on the reset circuit, and they're replacing this silver one which has fallen apart. Because sometimes this unit wouldn't start up at all, so I put those in temporarily till I received a newer one. So this is the sort of reset pin on the processor, which the manual describes as producing a quick sort of pulse on a reset on the reset pin, and then which is what you got on the scope here. So you get this pulse, then it just sits at about 1.7 volts, but then the far right hand pulse is when I switched it off. So as this actual microcontroller does actually have its own kind of reset circuit built into it, so I guess Quad have added a separate sort of trigger pin to, for them to sort of decide when the thing's ready to be working. Well, the old socket came out easily, mostly because this board isn't a double-sided board, so there's no solder, there's no sort of through-hole plating connecting the top side to the bottom side, so that was good. No dramas there. Okay, I've put all the new parts in it. Let's give it a run through, make sure it still works. So, powered on. Let's remember the station. So to tune it, we'll now set 90.4 megahertz into the BBC LR button. So we need to hold the tune button down, then push the button, and the light comes on. So now if we go to BBC LR, we get the same station. I can only pick up 4 stations here. We're in the rural Cotswolds, and technology hasn't caught us up yet. So that's worked. So when it's in normal mode, the tuning doesn't do anything at all until you push the tune button. Then you can whiz it around. Say we're down in the valley here. There's not much radio reception at the best of times. So we'll set the BBC One channel to what this is, 102 meg. So we hold the tune button in, push the button, wait for the light to come on. Then the BBC One button will have been stored as 102.5. And there we go. So that's pretty cool. That's all working now. I've just got to put the cover back on over the little power supply, over the transformer, and put the lid back on it. Then give it another quick check, and it's done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos.